Hi, today we will talk about the movie Wake Up Sid and its learning. This movie is about youngsters who are unsure about their career they want to pursue and they are aimless and they do not have an answer related to their future. This movie leaves in you a very happy and warm feeling inside. A must watch movie for everyone who feel uncertain about the future. It taught us some lessons that we can learn and implement in our life to achieve our goals and success. Failure is not always a bad thing. Like in the movie, Sid failed in exams, he broke his friendship, he fought with the parents and left his home. He was failed, but all these taught him life lesson. He learned how to be independent. He learned how to cook, how to wash clothes and iron them. He got a job. In short, his failure made him independent. So, failure is not always a bad thing. Failure can force us to rethink on every aspect and make us more stronger. And the second lesson is it's never too late to pursue your passion. This is probably the biggest takeaway from this film. Sid never stops having fun with his camera. He aimlessly keeps clicking pictures until he realizes he wants to take a photography as his profession, and which ultimately helped him to get a job as a photographer in a magazine. So, do not follow the crowd, just follow your passion, and the rest will fall into place. Passion is something that completes you, so let it find you, and only then you will find meaning in life. Second lesson, that saying no to your comfort zone is necessary. We aren't aware of several hardship and take things for granted. Sid, too, like every other youngster who has the same attitude towards their life. But things take a turn when the realization dawns upon him that he will have to fend for himself. Same goes with Sid. He could have easily got a good position in his father's company, but he has no interest on it and move out of his comfort zone and choose to intern with Mumbai Bates just to follow his interest. And he grabbed the opportunity and eventually everything fell into right place. Comfort zone is what? Comfort zone is like a little circle, and outside of that zone is a bigger circle that stands for the promise of success. So spend some time alone, try to know who you are and what your true passion is. Only then you can unlock your true potential. Never refrain yourself from meeting new people. Life is a journey where we meet many people as we go on. So feel free to talk, to share, and to express your thoughts and feelings. Love your family and friends. Enjoy your life and live the moments. Stay close to yourself. Try to keep moving forward every day. Thank you.